YouTube, it's Alicia here. I am here doing a simple church makeup tutorial and finishing getting ready as well. So what I used on my face today, I'm using for setting power. Setting powder, one of my favorite things to use, the Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder. I also use the NYX Born This Way Glow to Foundation in Sienna and the Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And the two shadows palettes I'm using is these two palettes right here. And I will go through the colors that I'm using. So in this palette, I end up using Wish. Okay, let me make sure. I use Wish and Remember Me. So this is Wish. And that is Remember Me. Two beautiful palettes. And then I'm going to do, in the Rebirth palette, I use a Vegan. And now I'm going to go in with the same palette and put Swan Enemy. It's like a very vibrant pink. But I'm going to go with Destiny and just go over it because I'm almost through. So I'm just going to take that and we're just going to and that is the eyes. And we're going to go back with the Dreamland palette and finish it up. There you go. And with this one, we're going to use Energy. And we're going to use this brush right here. And we're just going to use Energy as a highlight. That is it with that. So now we're fin to do the powdered foundation. And the powder foundation I'm using is the Black Radiance in this brush right here. So just to be, before we get to that, for a blush today, we're using Awesome. This is one of my favorite blushes. Give you a little bit more of a pigmentation on here, but hey. And the highlight, beautiful highlight I'm going to be using is the Wedding Wow highlight palette right here. So see? Okay. I'm going to just use this just to go up on the, just dip this in here. And for a lipstick, and as you see, this is my Valentine's Day look I'm wearing today. And for lipstick, I'm not going too crazy. I'm going to be using the Revlon 671 in mink. So yeah. And that is it. But let me just show you what I'm going to do to my hair. I'm just going to fluff it. That's all I'm going to do. I'm not putting no curls in it. No curls or nothing in it. Just giving it a little comb and brush, and that's it. And then let's let the brush as well. And the last thing I'll do, let me see. And my favorite, haven't used it in a while, but it is my Black Radiance Long Lasting Setting Spray. And it's a good spray. Close your eyes. And this is my look. Hope everybody loves the look. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.